हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। आई होप यू आर डूइंग रियली वेल। मुझे देख रहे हो तो बढ़िया हो गए, मजे में रह रहे हो। एक जिंदगी तुम्हारा भाई तुम्हारे साथ है, कोई भी दिक्कत हो बता देना। तो गाइस, आज तुम्हारा भाई जा रहा है एक जगह पे। जिस जगह का नाम है यार, दोस्तों से मिलने ना जाना पड़ता है, समझ रहे हो। एक मेरी फ्रेंड आ रखी है थोड़ा दूर से, जो मेरी फेवरेट फ्रेंड है। तुम्हें पता है उसके बारे में, तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो। जितने भी मेरी सारी फॉरेन फ्रेंड्स हैं ना, उनमें से तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है वो। एक मुझे पसंद है जैस, वो पता नहीं कब आएगी। बट जो दूसरी वाली है, समझ रहे हो, समझ रहे हो। तो लेट्स गो गाइस। तो बट यार वो ना बड़ा दूर बुला रही है। दूर क्यों बुला रही है? नखरे हो जाते हैं ना भाई लड़कियों के, हल्की सी वो फेमस हो गई है मुझसे ज़्यादा, तो उसके नखरे हैं कि उत्कर्ष यहाँ जाइयो, वैसा करती हो वैसा करती हो। फिर मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कोई नहीं यार, कर लो किसी के लिए, इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं, इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं। बॉम्बे में बहुत खर्चा हो रहा है भाई। जब भी बाहर खाने जा रहा हूँ 500 की बत्ती जा रही है। तो जब से मैं रह रहा हूँ ना, क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट मिलता है बस होटल में, ऑफिस में ज़्यादा कुछ खाते नहीं, तो डिनर में रोज 500 500 500 500 सारा सारा ऑफिस में बिल करूँगा। चलो गाइस लेट्स गो, ठीक है। जस्ट मैं सुबह सुबह ब्लिंकिट करा भाई 500 रुपये का। ओ गाइस, लेंस कार्ट का है, मजाक में लेते रहते हो भाई को यार। भाई लेंस कार्ट, ठीक है। चलते हैं भाई, टोपी पहन लेते हैं धूप से बचने के लिए। कमरे की लाइट वाइट जली नहीं, लैपटॉप रख देते हैं भाई, थोड़ा ऐसे, थोड़ा मतलब महंगी चीज़ है। तो भाई ये चक्कर है। चक्कर क्या है कि चलते हैं बस उससे मिल के आते हैं। लेट्स शूट ग्रेट कंटेंट गाइस, लव यू। कैब करके जा रहा हूँ, बहुत पैसा रखा तुम्हारे भाई के पास, समझ रहे हो नहीं समझ रहे। ट्रेन में दिखा रहा था मुझे 2 घंटे, कैब में दिखा रहा है 1.5 घंटा। पैसे कैब में लगेंगे 800 रुपये, वर्सोवा तक जाने में। कोई नहीं, 800 रुपये देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बहुत पैसा कमाया तुम्हारे यार ने। कुछ नहीं है भाई, तंगी चल रही है, ठीक है। चलो भाई लेट्स गो। लेट हो गए हैं, लेट हो गए हैं। और ही भाई ओला खड़ी है भाई की तुम्हारे। क्या हाल है भैया? बढ़िया। तो भाई अब यहाँ से कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया जाने में? एक सेकंड का पिन बता के कनेक्ट करता हूँ आपसे। कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, कंपनी में काम करने लगा हूँ जब से। कनेक्ट। तो भाई अब आपको बताता हूँ क्या अपडेट चल रही है प्रॉपर्टी लेने की यहाँ पे, मतलब ख़रीदने की नहीं, रेंट की। यहाँ पे ब्रोकरेज बहुत ज़्यादा है भाई। मतलब कोई 2 लाख रुपए मांग रहा है, 2.5 लाख रुपए मांग रहा है, कोई कह रहा है भैया 1.5 लाख से नीचे नहीं देंगे। और ब्रोकरेज के साथ साथ होता है लॉक इन पीरियड, कि आप उससे पहले छोड़ नहीं सकते। और आपका मुझे पता ही है, मतलब तुम्हें मेरा पता ही है। तो लॉक इन 6 महीने, और कुछ जगहों पे 11-11 महीने, जो बढ़िया सोसाइटी है। और मेरे को बढ़िया सोसाइटी में लेना है, तो 11 महीने की लॉक इन। फिर मैं सोचता हूँ यार अब किसी जगह तो 1 साल काम कर ले मिनिमम। तो ये चक्कर है भाई। और ओनर्स आपके इंटरव्यू लेते हैं। वो भी एक सोसाइटी है जिसमें मैं बात चल रही थी। तो बंदा इंटरव्यू ले रहा है मेरा, क्या अच्छा, मतलब जो कंपनी मैंने लिया इंटरव्यू सेलेक्ट होने के लिए, ओनर ले रहे हैं फ्लैट रेंट पे देने के लिए। कि अच्छा क्या करते हो, कैसे, आपने कहाँ से एमबी करी, अब आप कंपनी में क्या काम करते हो, कौन आपका मैनेजर है, मैनेजर की आईडी भेजो, अपनी आईडी भेजो। मैंने आईडी भेज दी अपनी पर्सनल। कहते नहीं, वर्क ईमेल से मुझे मैसेज करो, जो वर्क आपकी ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी है। तो उससे भेजा भाई। तो वो चक्कर है भाई यहाँ पे, मतलब बैचलर हो ना आप, तो आपकी ज़िंदगी मतलब बड़ी मुश्किल है। आपको ऐसी जगहों पे तो मिल जाएगा फ्लैट, ऐसी जगहों पे मिल जाएगा तुम्हें, बट आपको वैसी सोसाइटी वगैरह में लेना है ना। और आपकी भाई शादी वादी नहीं हो रखी, बहुत दिक्कत है। तो क्या पता यही रीज़न हो मेरा। अब भगवान यही चाहता हो कि मैं इस बहाने शादी कर लूँ। कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो ये है भाई, चलते हैं अब। कोई वेट कर रहा है मेरा वहाँ पे, समवन स्पेशल। तो कुछ खाएंगे पियेंगे, मज़े मारेंगे। तुम समझ तो गए ना कमेंट सेक्शन, मतलब बिना आगे स्किप करे। आगे मत जाना, अभी बता दो कौन है वो, जल्दी जल्दी। है ना? हाँ वही है भाई, जो तुम सोच रहे हो ना वही है। लेट्स गो गाइस। बट बॉम्बे में देख रहे हो कैमरे की क्वालिटी अलग ही दिखती है। दिल्ली में पूरी स्मोक होती है ना भाई, उस मिट्टी में ढंग से आती नहीं क्वालिटी। यहाँ देखो। और भाई ये अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे व्हीकल नहीं है ना, जैसे मेरे पास अभी कोई गाड़ी नहीं है, कोई बाइक नहीं है, तो मेरा हर उसमें कम से कम 500 रुपये जा रहे हैं। तो आना जाना वो तो भाई, मतलब सारे सारे कंपनी पे रेस करूँगा। ठीक है। नहीं सही में यार, मतलब अगर आपके पास यहाँ गाड़ी नहीं है तो ट्रेन में जाओगे। और ट्रेन भी, स्टेशन भी यहाँ से 8 किलोमीटर दूर है। पहले 8 किलोमीटर जाओगे, ट्रेन पकड़ोगे, फिर दादर चेंज करोगे, फिर तुम बैंड्रा पहुँचोगे। इतने तो बंदा बैंड्रा में आराम से कैफ़े में बैठ जाएगा। तो ये है भाई सिस्टम। और भाई जो ओनर है ना, जिससे मेरी बात चल रही है, वो बाहर रहते हैं। तो एक फ़ायदा तो है, अगर कोई बंदा बाहर रहता है तो बार बार दुखी तो नहीं करेगा वो बंदा। तो ये चक्कर है। ओके गाइस, तो बस इसलिए मैं प्रेफर कर रहा था, अगर ओनर किसी का पास ही रहता है ना, वो दूसरे तीसरे दिन आ जाते हैं। मुंबई के ओनर, दिल्ली ओनर तरह नहीं होते भाई। दिल्ली वाला वो क्या है, चलो ठीक है भाई कोई नहीं, यहाँ पे ऐसे होते हैं, देखें तो सही क्या कर रहे हैं हमारे फ्लैट पे। जिम्मी वाला सही था भाई, दोस्त का ही फ्लैट, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं थी। अब दिक्कत हो रही है। चलो कोई नहीं, देखता हूँ, बताऊँगा जो भी मिलेगा आपको फिक्स करते हुए। मोस्टली वैसे वो कलपतरू वाले फिक्स करा था हमने, और देखते हैं, उसके ओनर से भी बात चल रही है। गाइस गेस तो करो मैं किससे मिल रहा हूँ, गेस तो करो, गेस तो करो जल्दी किससे मिल रहा हूँ मैं, समझ गए? गिव मी जस्ट 2 more minutes गाइस, अभी दिख जाएगा तुम्हें किससे मिल रहा हूँ। अब भी नहीं समझे क्या? जिससे मैं बैंगलोर मिलने गया था, वो दिल्ली आई थी, एयरपोर्ट से पिक करा था, नहीं समझे? बड़े गंदे हो यार तुम तो। थोड़ा यार पेट सा डाउन हो रखा है, तो लिया तुम्हारे भाई ने ये फ्रूट बियर। कम्बूचा है बेशर्मो, कम्बूचा पता है तुम्हें क्या होता है? फर्मेंटेड टी। तो भाई आजकल तो ना मैं तुम्हें एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ, बड़ा हेल्थ पे ध्यान है, क्योंकि मेरी कंपनी हेल्थ की है। अरे बंदा भाई मैग्नीशियम लिया भाई, शिलाजीत ली, शिलाजीत। इन्होंने मेरा पोस्टर हटा दिया यार, यहाँ पे मेरा पोस्टर लगा होता, तुम्हें याद है? पता नहीं, गंदे लोग हैं भाई। शूट की ड्यूरेशन होती है, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ, हर शूट की यूजेज होती है कि ये पिक्चर 6 महीने तक यूज़ होगी, साल तक यूज़ होगी। तो साल पूरे हुए होंगे भाई, उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज लगता है गाइस, समझ रहे हो? लेते हैं भाई, शेयर करने का मन नहीं है किसी से, कर लेंगे यार, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग गाइस, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग। तो भाई थाने में जो मैं फ्लैट देख रहा हूँ ना, 40-42 तक के, यहाँ पे वही फ्लैट ट्रिपल रेट कर दो। कोई सोसाइटी जिसमें पूल है, जिम है, 1 लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए भाई फॉर द सेम फ्लैट, जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स नियर द बीच। साइड में बीच है ना भाई, वर्सोवा बीच। और भाई अब मैं जहाँ जा रहा हूँ उस कैफ़े का नाम है प्रोजेक्ट हम, ठीक है? तो बस 3 कैफ़े बताता हूँ, बॉम्बे कभी आना बिना सोचे चले जाना। बॉम्बे सैलड कंपनी, फार्मर्स कैफ़े एंड प्रोजेक्ट हम। तीसरे नंबर पे प्रोजेक्ट हम, पहले पे बॉम्बे सैलड कंपनी, दूसरे पे फार्मर्स कैफ़े। थैंक यू बोलोगे भाई को, थैंक यू। चीयर्स गाइस, चीयर्स। धूप कितनी हार्श है बट यहाँ पे भाई, कम्बूचा का कमाल। धूप बहुत हार्श है बट यहाँ पे ना, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट धूप हार्श है। Hi, how are you? So guys, I'm back with Liz. Why are you so tired?
Because I didn't sleep so much.
Guys, she's doing so many things sideways. She's producing music. She's singing. When is your new song coming?
Hopefully soon.
Very soon.
Hopefully soon. I mean, the thing is, okay, there's one song that's probably going to come soon, but the other ones, they will take like 3 months. Because if you release, like, if there are different ways of releasing and pitching and stuff, so that takes some time.
So
Yeah.
Liz, now tell me, like, it's been like how many days you're in Bombay?
Like maybe 1 or 2 weeks.
1 or 2 weeks. Bombay, Delhi, or Bangalore? Fast.
Oh, don't make me say these things.
No, these things you should say. I'll say Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore. First Bombay, second Delhi, third Bangalore. For you.
Mumbai and Bangalore equal, and then Delhi is last.
She's like, I don't want to say something.
No, but Delhi for me doesn't win definitely.
Yeah, Delhi third, right?
I'm sorry.
Delhi वालों शर्म कर लो थोड़ी।
Delhi is a bit crazy.
Crazy, right?
Also, I was scared a lot in Delhi because of the traffic.
Traffic here is quite shit compared to Delhi.
No, here the traffic is fine. It's safe.
So guys, now we'll have some crazy healthy food. She was like, I want to eat something healthy. Why you eat unhealthy? Let's go and have street food.
No, I want to eat something healthy today. Because I'm so tired, I need to get my energy from food now. Something with guacamole.
So guys, we have come a long way. A year ago, we were sitting in Bangalore in a cafe in Subway, and we were like manifesting, oh, we should get like
Oh, that's actually true.
yeah, 5,000 views or 6,000 views.
Yeah.
Now she's getting viral on Instagram. You must have seen her picture, that photographer picture. Everybody like
Oh, yeah. With Rajesh.
crush of India, crush of India. So yeah. Chalo, let's have food, guys. Then see you later. But I don't know. Like I wanna ask her skincare. Why your skin is getting better day by day with the By the time you are getting young, what's the secret behind it?
Aw, stop. Hello and welcome to a new episode of Liz Last TV. Today with special guest Upicha in Mumbai.
Hi guys, how are you?
So Utkarsh just moved from Delhi to Mumbai. Why would anyone leave Delhi to go to Mumbai?
Guys, I'll tell you. I just came to Bombay for Liz Les. She was like, I'm here for 2 days. I was like, I'll fly for you. So yeah, you should have friends like me, guys, who can fly for you, okay? I just flew for you.
No, he's lying. It's not true. He lives here.
Guys, our food is here. Our food is here. Veg here, non-veg here. This is veg, right? Okay.
Woohoo. Okay, now we need a spoon to eat this.
Anything for you, Liz.
Thank you.
Anything for you. Anything else?
I would please like a golden spoon. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so this is a healthy bowl.
Guys, let's do cheers first.
Drink, drink. Why are you always so silly?
Why I'm always so silly?
Yeah.
I'm not silly. This is how we do it in India.
Sure. Every time people eat in India, they do chips.
Guys, there's a way to vlog. You know how Liz vlogs? Like, generally, how I vlog is like this. She's like her hand is like this. Why? Why you vlog like this? Huh? Why you vlog like this?
I don't know.
Can you show me your hand movement when you vlog? Guys, see.
I don't.
भाई पूरा हाथ लेके ना ऐसे घुमा देती है.
To show off my biceps.
Yeah, guys, let's have food then.
But yeah, Utkarsh is always good influence food-wise. He always eats healthy food. Not so much fast food, healthy food a lot. So with food, you're always good influence.
And guys, after this we are going to the beach. You know, there's a very nice beach nearby. You know that, right?
Are we going to the beach?
Yeah, in the hot sun.
To the beach.
Beach.
To the beach.
Beach.
Yeah, let's check out. Let's check out.
So yeah, guys, why you love feta so much?
Because it's the greatest. It's the goat. It comes from the goat.
थोड़ा है भाई, इसका सिस्टम अलग है. This is feta cheese.
Yes. You want some? You want?
No. You can have it. So guys, food was amazing. How was the food?
Good. Very healthy.
But she didn't eat fully. She was like, "Oh, I'm done. I think it was not tasty for you, right?
No, it was tasty, but it was too much. Only because something is good, it doesn't mean you have to eat it in large quantities, right?
We Indian, if we are paying for something, if it's shitty, we still eat that thing.
Really?
I do this. I don't know about others, but yeah, really. So guys, now I'm taking her to beach. You have seen the beach in
I
Bombay.
only eat until I'm full. I've seen Juhu Beach.
Juhu beach is like not good. Now I'll take you to Versova beach.
Oh.
You have been
Okay.
there? You have not
No,
been
I have not.
So we have to walk like 5-6 kilometers. Are you ready for that?
Walking?
Yeah.
We're not in Europe.
Yeah.
We're not in Europe. We're not walking
Come,
5-6 kilometers.
500 meters less.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ooh, look, that looks nice. What do you want to choose?
First, come. First, let's go to the beach. First, tell me what's the secret of your energy? I wanna know it.
I'm not so energetic today. I'm very tired.
I've never seen her like lethargic or lazy in my life. Literally, I'm telling you, if she sleeps for 3 hours, she's like, oh.
Yeah, but today, no. It's been a lot. Because I've always been recording music at night until late. And I've been traveling for 3 months now.
Oh.
Yeah.
After Delhi, after meeting me, where all did you went?
I went to Haryana.
For the wedding, right?
Yeah. Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Nepal. I went to Phuket, to Koh Samui, to Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, I went to the beach and to the jungle. And now here in Mumbai.
Guys, perks of being a travel influencer, huh?
Yeah.
You get to travel so much. So yeah, guys.
Okay, where have you been since we saw each other in Delhi?
After Delhi, I went to Gurgaon, then Delhi, then Bombay, then Chennai, Then
What did you do in Chennai?
shoot for a lungi brand.
Lingerie.
No, lungi. They
What's-
wear lungi
Oh, pants.
pants like Chennai pants.
Oh, okay.
Dhoti. So, yeah. I went to Jaipur. I went to
The Pink City.
Pink City. I've been to Jaipur.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot to mention. I also went to Jaipur. Since we saw each other
Guys,
last time.
I'm telling you, she's minting money. So yeah, this is Versova. This is my second home. This will be my second home because when I'll be actor, most of the actors stays here.
Yeah.
Uh,
And also a lot of music is going on here.
yeah.
Yeah.
And guess the price of that apartment.
Okay, two BHK.
Yeah.
It would be like
It's sea facing.
3 crore.
It's sea facing. Liz.
3 crore.
No.
Yeah.
It's 8 crores for 2 BHK. Sea facing apartment.
No.
Yeah.
8 crore.
8 crores.
800,000 euro
Yeah.
for 2 bedroom.
For 2 bedrooms. Sea facing in Bombay.
That's more.
You are not in Delhi.
That's
Delhi-
more expensive than Berlin.
Yeah,
in
I know.
Germany.
India is expensive than Berlin. Why are you thinking Germany is expensive? Because you. Huh?
Huh?
Germany is expensive, but in India, Bombay is the most expensive city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Germany.
guys, one more
In
thing.
Germany, the most expensive is Munich.
Munich.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I used to think Berlin.
No. Berlin is. To buy property, it's expensive, but Munich is through the roof.
To the roof.
Yeah, because in Munich you can make a lot of money because a lot of industries there. You know, you have BMW.
Football team.
Yes, also doesn't have that many
Mullah.
jobs, but
Yeah. Guys, you'll see one thing like. See my skin. My skin is like kind of pale, and see her skin. She's like undertone is red. I don't know. See. How come your face is red?
are you making fun of me?
No, I'm.
Oh, I forgot to put sunscreen.
And one more thing. This is India's most expensive salon. They cut for 1 lakh rupees. They cut here for 1 lakh rupees.
For one leg,
$1 lakh, $1,000.
I think I need a haircut.
$1,000.
Okay, I'm gonna go here. No one is here.
Because nobody can afford it. Come, please, come. So, yeah. Now,
You know, in Sri Lanka, the buses were crazy. The buses went so fast in Sri Lanka, like Harry Potter buses. Really?
where all you went in Sri Lanka? Colombo?
I went to Colombo, I went to Wellingama in the south,
Yeah.
I went to Herikechia,
Bentota?
and I went to the national park in the jungle, in the middle of the jungle, without internet for a couple of days. Yeah.
So
That
guys-
was so nice.
Huh?
I can really recommend that. Going somewhere without internet and nature.
Thailand or Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka.
Really?
Yeah.
Better than Thailand?
Yeah. I mean,
Guys, Sri Lanka is cheaper for us as well if you're going like to Thailand, and if you're going to Sri Lanka is way cheaper.
it depends on what you want. Like, I really like Bangkok, so I think for living in Bangkok, that's great because it's also very
You don't
modern.
like Phuket?
Phuket is,
Kind of fun.
it's
No,
nice for a few days to party, but that's,
That's it.
yeah, I mean, it's just very crowded with tourists. Depends on what you want. Like, for New Year's Eve, it was fun because, of course, all the big parties are there, the big DJs are there. Even Artbat was there, so we saw Artbat.
Oh.
Yeah. But I think Sri Lanka has a nicer vibe. Whoa, people do horse riding on white horses. Look,
Let's do a horse ride.
look.
Oh. You wanna do it?
No,
Huh?
no. Hello. No, thank you.
So you're a beach person or a mountain person, Liz?
Why do you have to choose?
If you have to choose.
I don't have to choose.
Yeah, being a travel influencer, you can choose anything because you can go anywhere.
I can go everywhere. I don't have to choose, and I'm so happy about that. What about you?
I'm a beach person. Beach person.
You're a bitch person.
Beach person.
You're a bitch person.
Guys, I just said that one time wrong. Now she'll make fun of me entire time. If you have to rate my English, be honest. I'm your friend, but like our native language is not English. But if you have to rate my English out of 10, be honest with me.
No, your English is great. You didn't even say it wrong. I'm just saying it for no reason. Hello. You speak English? No?
English. What's the price of this?
What language you speak?
Which language you speak? Which language you speak?
Kitna price hai? Atna Soho Beach Leki Chow.
100 rupees both can do.
Wait, I want to do it in you, okay? Okay. Atna Soho Beach Leki Chow.
Are you getting anything, bro? I'm also not getting anything.
Kitna price hai?
I'm also not getting anything.
No, it's not true. That's how you say it in
No.
Chalo.
Chalo, let's go. Let's go.
No.
Say it, go.
No, he's not understanding my Hindi. No, I'm sad. No, I don't want to go. Okay, Dhanyavad.
100 both.
No.
100 both.
No.
लाडो डर गई.
Why did he not understand me? I said Atna Soho Beach Leki Chow.
I'm also not understanding you.
That
How can he understand you?
means take me to Soho Beach.
Can you please repeat it?
Atna Soho Beach Leki Chow.
No.
Yes, that's how you say it.
No. She's scared.
No, I'm scared of horses.
No, she's scared.
I'm scared. I say I'm scared of horses. He shoves it in my face.
Left his horse.
No, I'm not scared of horses, but I don't want to do horse riding. Yeah.
नहीं भैया, नहीं.
No, thank you. Dhanyavad.
Guys, there's one thing.
Okay, Atna Soho Beach Leki Chow. That's how you say it.
Soho Beach लेके चलो. Atna is no word in Hindi.
Yes, that's how you say it.
नहीं. It's like Soho Beach लेके चलो. That's it. मुझे Soho Beach लेके चलो.
Okay,
now,
Leki
now say,
Chalo.
now say. उत्कर्ष बहुत smart लौंडा है.
No, it's not true.
Oh, what did I say? I just said Utkarsh, yaar, she's not a good friend. I was just forcing her to say Utkarsh is so smart. She's like, no, it's not true.
Yeah, but you were stupid.
I'm
Because
stu-
you said it in English. You said smart in English. So of course I know what you're saying.
Oh, hi. So, you wanna go and swim?
No.
No.
You want to go and swim?
No.
No, I was told that you're not supposed to swim here.
Yeah, border is like really shitty here. Bombay beaches are not so clean. Guys, we had a swim in Goa once. It was amazing. Most of my revenue comes from that.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Guys, I'll be honest with you. Liz is one of my best friends, I'm telling you. But we posted a video like German girl swimming in Goa beach. That went viral. It have around 2.5 million views. And so, yeah. In my entire YouTube history of 1.5 years, most ping video is through Les. It's the magic of blonde hair, guys. I'm telling you. Right? नहीं भैया.
Hello. Namaste.
You must be half Indian, Liz.
What?
You must be half Indian now.
Yes, I
You
am.
must be understanding Hindi.
Little bit.
Little bit.
But not enough. I should understand more at this point. But the thing is, I spent time in Karnataka, so people speak Kannada. Then time, for example, here in North, they speak Hindi. Then I was in Tamil Nadu, there they speak Tamil. It's not like everywhere I can speak the same language, you know? So I feel like even though I spent a couple of months in India.
Even I taught you Haryanvi, you remember? I taught you Haryanvi.
Yeah, I remember.
अरे क्या बात होगी?
But when I was in Haryana, everyone spoke just Hindi only.
No, they speak Haryanvi in front of you. They were being nice.
Oh.
Haryanvi is really aggressive.
Oh.
क्या बात होगी? Say this. क्या बात होगी?
Ke baat hogi?
Aggressively, not like you are like.
Ke baat hogi?
अरे क्या बात होगी?
What does it mean?
You should look angry. What happened? This is like what happened in Haryanvi. You should be angry.
Okay.
क्या बात होगी भाई?
Take up togi bhai. Take up togi bhai. Okay, now you say something aggressive in German.
Yeah. I'll say everything in German.
Okay, you have to take your shades off while you say it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. No. Like you only when you start saying it you do like
Okay, when I'm saying
okay, yeah, okay.
Just a second. Let me set the camera. Yeah. What I have to
Okay, you say, was guckst du so blöd?
Huh?
Was guckst du so blöd?
No,
No, you take your shades off. Like,
what I have to say again?
was guckst du so blöd?
Oh भाई क्या आए हो? Wait. 1 second. Let me figure out my cap.
Was guckst du so doof?
Huh?
Was guckst du so
It's
doof?
not an abusive word, right?
No.
Okay. Speak again.
Was guckst du so doof?
La cook sucks dus.
Was guckst du so doof?
No.
Was
Was
guckst du
guckst du
so doof?
so doof?
Was guckst du so doof?
Was guckst du so doof?
Yeah. Why are you?
German is so tough.
It means why are you cooking so stupid?
Why I'm looking so stupid?
Why are you looking so dumb? Like why are you looking so
Why you
so
always
bad?
why you always make fun of me, Liz? Huh?
The sun is like this.
You like sun or no?
I do,
Huh?
but it's so strong.
Liz, I'm giving
Let
Listen,
the
listen.
sun shine. Let the sun shine.
Listen.
The sun shine.
Show me your dance performance.
No.
Now guys, she'll sing a banger song. We both will sing a banger song. Samosa.
Kindersamosa. Dosamosa. They are vlogging.
Where are you? Where are the?
YouTubers.
Huh?
YouTubers. You are YouTuber.
YouTubers, bhai.
We are also YouTuber.
Where do you post your videos?
On YouTube.
How many subscribers you have?
10K.
Oh, they are more famous than us.
Hey.
And you have?
I have like 5K. Bro.
Oh, nice.
How many you have?
How many you have?
I don't know.
I don't know.
No.
Why?
Huh?